Welcome back to another episode of Outdoors with O. And of course, fellas and ladies, we are in the great outdoors. I don't know if you guys can see, but man, there's fish down there, man. We are getting after it today. We are getting after it. Hopefully we can, I see them bedding up here. Hopefully we can do some dirty work today, man, and get active. Catch a couple and have some fun, man. Let's see what we can do. I'm not trying to spook some of these fish. There's one over here to my right. And I think there's one right here in front of me too. And today, man, it's a beautiful one today. The sun is beaming. I think for these bass to bite today, you're gonna have to put it directly on their beds, which, you know, is no issue. Or not. They'll just crush it just like that. And this is a nice one, fellas. Oh my goodness. This is a nice one. Is this a smallie? What is this? Can't see. This water's kind of tainted, man. Get up here. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Smallmouth, man. Gotta come show you guys. Check him out. Humongous bass right here, fellas. Oh my God, did y'all see that? I want to get him off of here so I can catch this big one here. Come on, Smalley. Come on up. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a great one today. I'm talking about choked it. Absolutely choked it. Wait, if I can catch this one though, this is gonna be crazy, man. If I can get this. Oh snap. Alright, there we go. Nice. Check that Smalley out, man. We're gonna put him back here. It is one big as crap right here, man. He's huge. He is huge. Oh, he's on it. Did he bite? Oh, I got him. Oh my gosh, he's huge. He's freaking huge. Oh, he's huge. Yes, sir. Oh my goodness. Yo, y'all, you guys. Hey, chat. He is freaking a monster, man. Chat. It's gonna take a little minute to get him in. This boy, OMG, young man. Bro, ski. Come on in here, man. Oh, it's another one chasing him. Oh my goodness, they're together. Can you guys see this, man? Oh my gosh. Wait till I land him. I gotta land him. We getting content today that you guys gonna love, man. Hey, like, share, subscribe right now, man. Right now. Hit that sub. Hit that sub. We gotta get him. We gotta land him. No. Yes, sir. One more jump. Dude, This is PB. This is my PB right here, fellas. It's another one out here, man. Come on, man. Come on. Please, come on. This fight is insane, man. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. I gotta get around my pole here. He gonna jump one more time? No, he's not. I'm gonna walk him back. I gotta land this one, bro. We gotta land this one. Yes, sir. We gotta land this Smalley, man. We gotta land this one. We gotta land this one. We gotta land him. We gotta land him, fellas. We gotta land him. Oh my gosh. Oh, perfect hook set, fellas. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? That is a tank. That is a freaking tank, man. No, we gotta weigh him. This ain't no joke today. Yes, sir. We gotta weigh him. What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking on the Smalley? Four pounder, man. What a fight. What a fight, fellas. That is, I hope you guys can see that. All right, big girl. Great, great, great. Awesome catch, man. Go be great. Bye-bye. Go be great. She went right back up under the dock, man. Wow. 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 OMG. What a day, man. What a day. It's another one over here, man. I still want her to eat, though. She won't. If you ever wonder how I hook them, just straight through the head, man. And I'm gonna work it back. Just keep them just right. I'm gonna work them back. I really want to catch these two right here. It's like two crappies. Slipping a bobber, man. And all you want to do is just let this, check your drag, let that bobber do the work, man. Reel in, real slow. That small little jig head floats down real slow. So you just want to work it back real slow. Work it back real slow, man. Got one. Oh my God, this might be another one. This might be the one out there. He ate the freaking minnow. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Oh, we got another smallmouth, man. We got another smallmouth. Oh my goodness. This was the one that was. Oh, yes, sir. I gotta get back over here, though. We gotta get back over here, man. Yes, sir. He going to the right. Nice. We gotta get back over here and land him. Come on. Come on. No, 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 no. Oh. Oh, no. I think he got me hooked up. Oh, no, he's still on. Let's go, fellas. Let's go. Get him in. Get him in. Get him in. Yes, sir. By the way, I said shout out to Shields. Oh, yeah, you're not going nowhere. Come on, man. Come on, man. I said shout out to Shields earlier. Big shout out, because that pole is from, good God, what am I doing? It is from Shields, man. This might be bigger. No. I had to get the Jordans. He broke it. He might be bigger. He might be bigger than the other one, bro. He like biting my hand right now. Come on. Whew. Hey, can you imagine? What? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? We gotta weigh him. We have to weigh him. I don't know if he's bigger than that other one. Let me close that box so they don't die. I don't know if he's bigger than that other one though, man. Let's see. I don't think that's on there, try to know. There we go. Let's see. Uh-oh, what happened? There we go. Is he bigger than him? No. Absolutely not, he not. Well, I guess that means toss him back. Toss him back, that's what that siren means. Fire. Again, man, this is a Shields ultralight series. I love fishing ultralights. The fighting is amazing with crappie, man. But even crazier with smallmouth bass, man. But anyways, yep, slip bobber, one little split shot weight, a little jig and a minnow, and just going real slow with it, man. Letting that thing fall. Letting it fall, fellas. It's real early in the spring, so you ain't gotta do a lot, man. If y'all wonder, I am congested, man. Me and the wife went to Vegas and both got sick, man. Man, this is awesome, man. So right here, I know you guys see that big bass. It's just roaming, man. It's roaming and it's protecting its territory. Any fish that roams up and tries to, frankly, pass by, it'll attack that fish, man. It'll attack that fish. So just a little update. That's a smallie. And then right here, I don't know if you guys can see, but there's two crappies spawning right here. They're just on top of each other, right? Well, what a day, what a day. Hey, great content today, man. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, Outdoors with O. We're gonna make this thing pop and blow, right? This year, next year, 1 year. Hey, I'm investing in you guys, and I hope you guys invest in me, man. Make sure you guys drop a comment, like. See you guys next time.